Welcome to SharePoint Vue Pro, where we take off on a journey through the dynamic realm of SharePoint development, guided by the power of Vue.js. I am Alex, and I've been a SharePoint developer for many years. More recently, I've become passionate about combining SharePoint and Vue.js to create web applications. I'm very excited as I embark on my first journey into the world of YouTube, aiming to extend a helping hand to beginners. The purpose of this channel is to provide beginner-friendly tutorials and guides for developing SharePoint solutions using Vue.js. I will do my best to break down complex concepts into easy-to-follow steps. By following this channel, you'll gain the practical skills to create various single-page applications and also enter the world of SharePoint development. I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and SharePoint best practices along the way. For example, in the upcoming videos, we'll dive into creating your first SharePoint single-page app using Vue.js, customizing forms, and integrating REST API for seamless data interactions. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to be a part of our growing community here at SharePoint Vue Pro. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tutorials and content. Your support means the world to me, and together we'll unravel the exciting possibilities of SharePoint and Vue.js development. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to the exciting journey ahead.